All right, recording is rolling. It's Thursday, December 15th. We're gonna do a couple of FRQs today. Actually, one you did yesterday. We're just gonna score this one this morning, and then I'll get a new one to you guys that covers a little bit of each of those three units. While you guys are getting this one out, hit off with my screen over here. All right, there has been some really big science news in the last few days. So gotta show you guys this story. Actually, probably a lot of you guys have heard of this one. There's been a breakthrough in nuclear fusion. Okay. So probably next semester I might tell you guys a little bit about nuclear energy. You guys know that we do have nuclear power plants, but they're all fission plants. They involve taking heavy atoms like uranium, for example, and splitting them. And then there's a change in mass. You guys know that Einstein equation equals mc squared. Right? That's the energy of nuclear reactions. So there's missing mass, and then it's converted into energy. But you can go the other way. You can fuse together hydrogen, make helium, and get a lot more energy. It's like hundreds of times more energy, almost 1,000 times as much. Okay? That's the energy of the sun, right? So the sun is fusing hydrogen into helium, right? And not only do you get a lot more energy, but also there's hardly any radioactive waste products, right? Kind of like that, like fission. So this has been something that's been in the works for a long time, and also really like realistically, this is the only thing that's gonna like save the world from like all the perils of climate change and the whole deal, right? Because it's like, all right, well, if you want to transfer off fossil fuels, like, okay, well, let's see, renewables have like some amount of promise, but there's some limitations there. Fission is good in a lot of ways, but then every once in a while there's some meltdown disaster, or you have to deal with the waste, so that's got its own problems. The fusion is really like I think somewhere here they mentioned the term like the holy grail of energy, and what scientists were able to do. This is at Lawrence Livermore Laboratory, so this is over outside San Francisco. This is funded with federal dollars from the U.S. government. They were able to finally produce more energy in this fusion reaction than energy was put in. So they have to put in some energy, but then they were able to get more out from this. There are a couple of processes that different researchers use to try to initiate these reactions. I think Lawrence Livermore Laboratory is a process that uses lasers to heat up hydrogen to like hotter than the core of the sun and under enormous pressures. And yeah, they were finally able to get a net energy gain out of that. So huge news there. There's still some time to go before they can commercialize this, but that is in the works. So switch over here. Right, you guys got your FRQs out. You guys got color pencils on your desk. All right, so let's hit this Unit 7 FRQ.